Okay, we took apart the Microtech MSI and we dyed the scales a deep red color, given that St. Nick's look maybe, I don't know. We did the RIT dye and boiled it in water and all that stuff, but here's what the knife looks like all taken apart. This one was made in August of 2024. So it should have that situation where the ram lock here, see how it's flush on the bottom? That means that it's the good one, the revised one, not the one that has the slot that if you look up that the ram lock wasn't sticking correctly or holding a good purchase on the blade. That's part of the reason why. So that's what you want to look for. Anything, I think it was after April, you could be pretty safe that your ram lock was replaced. Okay, so there's all that. This is one other thing. This is the stop bar, and this one is what they call fluted, I believe. And I think they replaced that too. I think they're going to a solid. There's no engraving on it. There's no machining on it. Whether or not that makes a big difference, I haven't really found out. There's the bearings, 16 beautiful little ceramic bearings, getting ready to spin in the knife. It's a beautiful knife. It's very, very comfortable. It's big, I will say that. You know, you got a big hunk of M390 MK. That's still out too. If you know about what they really ended up finding out what the hardness treating was. I've heard 58, 59, 61, 62. I don't know what's going on with that or whether it was a problem or not. It cuts like a laser right out of the box. All right, the screws are beautiful. Everything. It's a real nice piece of machinery. So this is the metal plate that goes in the reinforcing liner. And you can see it goes down a ways, and then you have your titanium lock bar that kind of sits around there. And yeah, there's a bunch of screws on each side, but it is what it is. I did notice when I was looking at some of the G10 models, these two screws are on the interior. You don't see them until you take off the scales. So I don't know what that was, but it seems to be okay. Again, I saw some torture tests of this knife and Microtechs in general, and it's amazing what they do. All right, so I'll put this back together and we'll take some more pictures or maybe take another video and do a review and we'll go from there. Okay, there you go. Today is Thursday, the 27th of April. I'm sorry, March, 27th of March, 2025. All right, there we go. Have a great day. Bye.